Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your IT administrator has limited access on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue your IT administrator has a limited access error on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on start menu, then type here cmd. Just right click on this command prompt window, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Here you just need to copy paste this command from my video description link. Right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, click on paste and hit enter. Click Y and hit enter. After completion of this, just you need to restart your laptop or desktop. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your IT administrator has limited access error on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.